Did you know a simple external query can alter your database in seconds? Well, that's the point of SQLMAP tool, one of the most powerful tools to perform SQL injection on Kali Linux. But how do we use it? We put the command SQLMAP, U, and the name of the domain we want to test. Then it will try with all kind of queries like Boolean-based, union, etc. You can also choose the level of test for the selected URL. In my case, I put 4. Now you can see the tool is performing all kind of SQL injection on the URL. If you want to cancel the attack, press Ctrl+C. And that's how we use this tool. Thanks for watching.